This is a question from averages under the topic of replacement by dilution, where you have a mixture and you keep replacing a portion of it. And from this mixture, you keep replacing 9 liters. Okay? From a container, 9 liters is drawn and replaced, 9 liters is drawn and replaced with water. So the main fluid is milk, the diluting fluid is of course water. If the volumes of milk and water are now in the ratio 16:9. Formula लगाएंगे. I just read through the question. Formula that can be used over here is similar to sort of compound interest. The final volume of the main fluid will be equal to the initial volume of the main fluid into 1 minus the volume that you are replacing divided by the total volume inside the solution to the power the number of dilutions. So what are the volumes that I have? Final volume of the main fluid, milk, 16:9 becomes 16K. And what is the initial volume of milk inside the fluid? That will be all of it, 16 plus 9, 25K, because originally the container was filled 100% with milk. 25K, 1 minus, what is the volume that you are replacing? 9. Volume total you have to find out, capacity of the container. You are doing this process twice. The replacement has happened twice, whole square. K gets cancelled. I'm going to take square root on both the sides. And then 4 and 5 will come down, cross multiply. 4 by 5 is 1 minus 9 upon Vt, and calculate Vt. 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5, and 5 into 9 becomes 45. Vt is 45 is the right answer for question number 4. Straightforward question.